Designers often discover their best ideas through experimentation. That mindset is exactly what design is all about. You'll begin learning how to turn ideas into 3D models using Tinkercad. Design is about combining simple elements to create something amazing. This piston is supposed to push forward, which then pushes forward on the sock, which is connected to the shoe, which then hits the ball. As you continue through the course, you'll discover that each new skill expands what you're capable of designing. But more importantly, you're learning how to think like an inventor. Nikola Tesla was known for imagining bold ideas. Every time that Tesla imagined a new invention, he would picture it from every angle. Now, the Wright brothers didn't invent flight in a single attempt. They used some existing conditions or existing parts and pieces. In their case, they used bicycles. In our case, we used our community profiles. Design skills open up doors to engineering, architecture, product development, animation, and many other creative fields. Let's get started and begin bringing your ideas to life.